Cell Helmet is the world's first and only iPhone 4 and 4S case to guarantee the phone inside. We're so sure of the Cell Helmet design that we're including 1 year of accidental damage insurance with every Cell Helmet sold. If your iPhone 4 or 4S should break inside of a Cell Helmet, it'll be repaired or replaced, guaranteed.
Back the Cell Helmet project with $20 or more and get one of these limited edition super soft t-shirts. Plus, you'll get an invite to our launch party in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Back the Cell Helmet project with $40 or more and you're getting one of the very first Cell Helmets in our stock clear color with insurance for your iPhone 4 or 4S included. You'll get 2 interchangeable backplates, which will come packed as either pink and purple, black and white, or green and blue. You'll also get an invite to our launch party in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Back the project with $50 or more, and you're getting everything that was included in the $40 level. Plus, you'll get one of the limited edition super soft Cell Helmet t-shirts. Back the project with $75 or more, and you're getting 2 of the very first Cell Helmets in our stock clear color, with insurance for 2 iPhone 4 or 4Ss included. You'll get 2 sets of interchangeable backplates, and also 2 invites to our launch party in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Back the project with $90 or more, and you're getting everything that was included in the $75 level. Plus, you'll get 2 of the limited edition super soft Cell Helmet t-shirts. Back the project with $110 or more, and you're getting 3 of the very first Cell Helmets in our stock clear color with insurance for 3 iPhone 4 or 4Ss included. You'll get 3 sets of interchangeable backplates, and you'll also get 3 invites to our launch party in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Back the project with $125 or more, and you're getting everything that was included in the $110 level. Plus, you'll get 3 of the limited edition super soft Cell Helmet t-shirts.
WiX Multimedia Dock, a smart dock and power bank for your Samsung phone. With 2 USB ports and 1 HDMI port, you can connect your dock to a mouse, keyboard, and an HD monitor, transforming your phone into a mini desktop computer. You can share a video or a movie with your family, or enjoy a game with your child, simply by placing your phone in our beautifully designed dock. Our dock is very convenient. It can charge your mobile phone, and you can even use it when it is not plugged in. You can easily connect and charge your Samsung Mobile with the micro USB insert, without having to remove the protective case. The 2 standard USB ports allow you to connect and charge another 2 mobile devices.
The smallest mobile phone in the world. Meet the Zanco Tiny T1.
I feel like it's a USB stick.
Hello? This fully functioning talk and text mobile phone is unbelievably tiny. It's the must-have novelty gift for any gadget lover. It's smaller than your thumb, it's lighter than a coin, and it is ridiculously cute. The first time you see it, you can't believe it exists. Your second thought is, does it work? Use the Tiny T1 as a backup or emergency phone that you can keep in your bag, pocket or glove compartment. You can travel light with the world's smallest mobile phone, and it's ideal for joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists, or if you're into extreme sports. Whether you're looking for a backup for safety on a night out, or maybe your smartphone doesn't fit your look, the Zanco Tiny T1 has you covered. Fit the Zanco Tiny T1 into your festival bag, so there's no worries about losing your expensive smartphone. Looking for a conversation starter? The world's smallest phone breaks the ice in any situation. You can save up to 300 numbers, make and receive calls, and even text. Be a part of the tiny revolution and be the first among your friends to own a piece of history.
The WiPhone is a VoIP mobile phone and development tool designed by hackers for hackers. Tools like dev kits and breakout boards are great for prototyping. But there's a lot of work between a messy prototype and something your spouse or boss could appreciate. Power and simplicity of mobile phones with the adaptability of our favorite dev board. What if we could easily develop our own apps instead of using the prepackaged ones from our friendly neighborhood IoT company? What if you could understand the whole OS and change it how you want? The WiPhone is designed for hackers, not passive consumers. You're encouraged to tear it apart and repurpose it. You're allowed to change the firmware from the ground up. It can be completely disassembled in under a minute. The back of the phone is a PCB you can swap out for something new or replace with your own design. Signals are transferred through spring contacts, so you don't even need a connector. And it makes free calls over Wi-Fi. Even if you're not a hacker, it can make free calls over Wi-Fi.